Today, we're going dirt biking in the Colorado mountains. What's up guys, I'm Dakota Freeman and welcome to my channel. So the side of the mountain that we're gonna be on today actually got burned a couple of years ago, and we're gonna see what happens after a big wildfire. So already, all the greenery is gonna be coming back and thriving, but all of the old standing trees are gonna be black and dead. We may find a few alive ones in the mix, so I'm super excited. If you have fun on this adventure, make sure you drop some comments down below. I can't wait to hear about it. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let's go get on the bike. So we just pulled up to the trailhead here. This is where we're gonna hop off the Jeep road and start to get into the burn zone. Wow, it has been so fun out here, and the trails are great. It truly is unbelievable to see the fire that scarred this mountain. It's so beautiful how some of it got hit by the fire and some of it was able to survive and keep thriving. The trails are great, so let's get back to it. All these logs are roasted. All right, guys, we made it way out here on today's journey. We saw a burn scar and all the flowers coming up underneath it, and man, it was beautiful. It really was such an awesome trail to be dirt biking on, and I'm so thankful to have it all back after the big fire. If you had fun on this adventure, make sure you drop some comments down below and tell me what your favorite part was. Hit that subscribe button, like this video. I'm Dakota Freeman, and I will see you next time. It is so beautiful to see all of these vibrant purple flowers popping up right under this black forest. What a beautiful sight it is out here in the mountains. Make make sure you click the subscribe button right here and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future content. And after that, you can watch my next video right here. Go ahead, click on it. I'll see you guys over there.